Actually to you, Chavez. My assigned in the group 3 in the world of literature is all about The Raven. The Raven is a poem or The Raven is a poem authored by the American writer in published the year 1845, authored by Edgar Allan Poe, and it is a narrative poem of 18 stanzas. Every stanzas have 6 lines in total of 108 lines. The Raven is about the narrator's loneliness, the narrator's emotions. In the midnight of month of December, the narrator's loneliness and sad because after losing his wife named Lenore, he always in his chamber or in his private room to read books about knowledge and wisdom. And inside his chamber or in private room, there's a statue of Pallas Athena. Who is Pallas Athena? Pallas Athena is a Greek goddess of mythology. Symbolizes the knowledge, wisdom, and craft. The narrators, while in his chamber or private room, there's something or knocking in his door and window. And after he opened, there's a raven. The raven came and ni batok siya sa statue ni Pallas Athena. Then after, the narrator always asks questions, but the raven always answer, nevermore. That's why the narrators feel sad and feel sad and loneliness. The narrator is feel lonely because the raven always answer nevermore. And the character of the raven poem is Lenore, wife of the narrator and the raven. The sitting is in the chamber or in the private room in the month of December midnight. And the lesson of this story or the lesson of this poem is if we face as a future educator, if we face challenges, if we face problems, we move forward. Move forward and fight because problem is a normal. We feel emotion, but it's a normal. We need to conquer and always be, we need to conquer and pray always to our God. That's all for the Reverend. Thank you.